Let's get into this. To create this text effect, load your chosen image onto Adobe Photoshop and reach for the Object Selection tool on the left panel. Go ahead and draw a square over the entire subject of the photo and then release it. Up in the Select tab, scroll to Modify, click on Smooth, and make sure the sample radius is set to 70 pixels. Go back to the Select tab, scroll to Modify, and this time click on Expand. Let's keep the value at 79 pixels. Now that that's done, head over to the rectangular marquee tool on the left panel and select that. Right-click on the background, scroll to Make Work Path, and set the tolerance to 2 pixels. The next step is to select the horizontal type tool and then click on the work path you've created. You'll see the placeholder text take the form of the existing path. You can just set your desired font size and start typing your text along the path. I'll just go ahead and copy this and paste it all around, then add spaces to make adjustments for the desired look. For this last part, I'll click on another part of the background to create a new text. I'll adjust my text by using alignment and the Move tool on the left panel to center that properly. And there you have it! Remember to like and hit the follow button for more tutorials. Save this for later.